I think it's time to do an updated wish list. Hi everybody, welcome back. Yes, it's June. It means half the year is gone. I know half the year has been spent mostly at home, but I thought it's about time to do an updated wish list. I have two wish list videos. I'll link them down below, but in this video, I want to tell you what I have already purchased and if there are any changes to my wish list. And obviously, there are some changes. I've got my trusty notes here, so let's run through what I've successfully purchased. My Oran sandals, a couple of pieces of ready to wear from LV, successfully got my LV Valicet bag, and I got my Atas pouch, Chanel O case in the red color. What I have not purchased yet is the Toiletry 15, the Just Include Cartier bracelet, and my Lady Dior. Before I tell you what creeped into my wish list, let me tell you which items I'm gonna put on a back burner. The first is the Cartier Just Include bracelet. I'm putting it on a back burner just because I was hoping to buy it overseas this year and save a little bit on the tax. The LV Toiletry 15, right now I am kinda unsure about. When I did my wishlist video, I said that the two Atas pouches that I want to get because I want to prove myself wrong was the Chanel O case and the Toiletry 15. Now after I got my Chanel O case flat pouch, I can honestly tell you I have not used it. I think my first impression of it still stands firm. It is an Atas pouch, a high-end pouch that honestly is great for small bags, but I am so lazy to change out from my SLG, so I don't want to go through this situation again where another toiletry is or another small SLG is not going to be used. Now the Lady Dior is not on a back burner. I'm still going for it. Let's get into the items that have creeped into my wish list. I'm not gonna buy all of these items this year. There's no freaking way I can do it. I'm talking about in the next few years, hopefully, you know, financial situation is still good, I will slowly accumulate them. Let's start from LV. The Nice BB. Yes, I am getting that dang toiletry bag, okay? I have seen so many of them on Instagram. I need it. It's gonna be propped up maybe where my Doraemon is. Number 2, the Elma BB. Yes, bags that I have sold and I want to repurchase. I am getting the Elma BB back in my collection. I missed that bag and I want it back. I just don't know what I want to get it. Like, do I want to get in epi leather? Do I want to get in monogram? Or maybe get in a damier? I don't have any damier pieces. So, I don't know. Number 3. Oh my god, there are a lot of bags that I'm going to talk about are repurchases. Lesson learned, okay? Don't simply sell your bags. The next bag that I will repurchase, and this bag wasn't sold actually, I didn't get a chance to really use it, is my LV Petite Noe. If you've been following me for a while, I unboxed this bag very long ago, and after about 2 weeks of using it, part of that bag came apart. Even though it's very loud with the monogram and it's got a lot of canvas, I really love that bag. It suits my whole style, gives me the casual vibe. I actually didn't sell that bag. I brought that bag back to the store and I replaced it with another bag, which is the Twice bag, which I sold. But I've always loved that classic bucket bag style. So yes, that is another bag that is coming back into my collection. The next is the bag called my Lock Me BB. Now this bag was introduced to me by an Instagram friend. She told me that she really loved the beige bag. I never really took notice of this bag, but after she showed it to me, I was like, very interesting looking. So the day that I went to get my Chanel mini reissue, I actually went to the LV store just to check out this bag, and they had this bag in a different color and I loved it. It was such a good size, and I thought, you know what, if I can find it, I will definitely buy it with the black and silver hardware. It's a good price. It's a full leather bag. It has the kind of same look and feel as my Chanel boy bag, which may be why I kind of like it. One main compartment with a small slip compartment, even has a zip back pocket. I do like it. So that is definitely something that is on my wish list. Finally, from LV is the Speedy Nano. The version that they have right now comes with a non-detachable strap. So I feel LV will eventually make this bag with a detachable strap, and that is the version that I want to get, not the one with the strap fixed on it, because the strap fixed on it is non-adjustable. What if I want to just use the bag on its own? What if I want to use the bag with a different strap? What if I want to use the bag as a little shoulder bag? There are so many ways that I would like to customize this bag for myself. So even though I do like it, it's super cute and it's just one of those novelty bags that can actually fit quite a few things, I feel like I want to wait a little bit more for the Nano because it is so popular right now. I'm very, very sure LV is going to make some adjustments to that bag. Let's go to Chanel. Oh my gosh, if you follow my live stream, I have talked about it. These 4 Chanel bags. Number 1, Chanel 19 bag. My essay in Singapore already knows that I want the Chanel 19 size large black with goat skin. Just before the price increase, I did tell her that if she had any in store, please let me know, but they did not. Everything was sold out, wiped out before the price increase. But she already knows that that is something I want. So we are going to work on this item. Hopefully sometime end of the year because we gotta save money for it. The other bag that I am gonna make a real effort is to get back my Chanel medium large. Now this, I might not want to buy it locally in Singapore or in Malaysia just because it is so freaking expensive here. If possible, when travel is lifted, travel is back to normal, and I get a chance to travel to Europe, definitely will buy it overseas to save some money. Third bag from Chanel is the Gabrielle bag. All of you who followed me a while, you know I sold my bag. I had the beige black version, all medium size. The creases on the bag really bugged me. And I think because it was also the beige color, it looked extra old. It looked like my grandma's elbows skin, Oh my god, it was so bad. And I didn't use it like that, okay? Long story short, I sold that bag in view that I want to get my Gabrielle bag. So I am stating it right here, right now. Yes, the Gabrielle is coming back into my collection. Not this year, maybe not even next year. One day, okay, one day. And finally, oh my goodness, this bugs the crap out of me. I am definitely looking into repurchasing my Trendy CC. I spoke about this in my Q&A. My Trendy CC is one of my biggest regret sale. I think if I were to repurchase this bag, I don't know if I'll get it in black. There are a lot of black bags in my wish list. The Chanel 19 is going to be black. If I were to get the Lock Me BB, it is also going to be black. My Gabrielle bag is going to be black. So I will have 3 or maybe 4 black bags coming into my collection in the future. So maybe, on hindsight, if I were to get the Chanel Trendy CC, I might not get it in black. I feel like I have had my time with the black. I enjoyed it. I might want to consider getting a funner color, still neutral. Is that a word? I don't think that's a word. Anyway, there is one more bag in my wish list, but I don't even dare to say it's a wish list bag because there is no way of me wish listing it and hoping that I can get it. And that is my Birkin size 25 Swift leather black with gold or rose gold hardware. There is practically no way I can wish list and hope to get this item because one, I want to get it in store. So this is, I would say, a dream bag. It's a hallucination. It's something that even if I had money, I feel like there is no way I can get it. So I don't even want to say it's a wish list. It would just hurt my feelings. But it's something that I dream of owning. From the store, okay, not from a reseller, because I think if you go through the reseller route, I might be able to get it, just that I'll pay a super duper premium, which I'm not going to. So that's my issue, but never mind. That's not in my wish list, that is in my dream, okay? So tell me, have you updated your wish list? Have you revised it, shrunk it, made it bigger, just like me? If you have, leave it in the comment section down below. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and make sure you hit the notification bell as well. Everybody take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!